Welcome to Tiaza TV, another episode of Young Jolela Mtanam. Another day, another banger, another hot one. Dr. V, Dr. M.
Dr. V, so ukhohliwe.
Hayi nabantu bayasikhohlwa. Awu noma uthi sabona vuso, uthi sabona
vuso. Yeah, true. Kuyafana. Yeah, bayahluleka nabantu. Masidida kwathina ke naso kuyinkinga.
Awu sisuyimdidi.
Awubasi. Awasibiza ngentembi kaye nje.
Lapho ezokuthisha yefundisa wathi angithi into ekudidayo umdidi.
Umdidi.
So
akusumdidisi. Umdidi.
Uyangidida, umdidi siyimdidi.
So siyimdidi. Ayisho sonke simdidi bafana. Okay bafethu sanibingelela bafethu Tiaza TV seyibuyile Tiaza Brothers njalaza udaba. Ahleze khona. Hayi phela vela ngithi mele sihlezi sesibuyile. Guys siyabonga kakhulu for your support enisinika yona. Thank you for ukusupport ama subscribers yabona yakhuphuka ama comments niyakhomenta. Ningakhohlwa bafethu nathi ukusupporta ke phela kuma personal pages wethu. Uvusi Manqele Instagram, usamanqele Instagram, same plus na TikTok. Nizosithola kanjalo mase kuba iDuyaza TV Instagram, Duyaza TV on Facebook. No merchandise.
TV nguphi?
Eskipeni, Duyaza TV ekepesini, Duyaza TV everywhere. We are running the country. We are the runners.
Zining bafethu zining.
We are.
Zining. Ngeniqede.
Family business.
Yes.
Duyaza protection.
Yes.
Gexa.
Yebo.
Bathini?
Bafethu siphethe usisilana indoni zamanzi. Omunye umpede ngeke ngathi ngikhuluma naye lapha na sisemotweni. Wathi akangizwa. Ekasho ukuthi cha shuthi ngizoba nenkinga kule episode.
Hayi izobonakala.
Wathi akangizwa manje akangizwa. Yabona ngabe uyahleka ubuya ngizwa. Ngoba kahle akangizwa namanje.
Abezela.
Ubuza kulo moya
ukuthi uthini. Abe.
Kamduze.
No ithu ozani.
Yakuthi akangizwa.
Ozani hayi akakuzwa ngaphela. Yeah, she's long.
Yabona lona ngamhlebe khona nje.
She's long.
Sanibonani. Ngena ngapha omunye. Yes. Right?
Yeah, stephile unjani?
Seshapha. Kade ungizwe ukuthi bengithini bade ngikhuluma. Namanje akangizwa.
Ngempela.
You don't understand nje lento encane nengezulu. Next.
Sama.
Even khanyane.
Khanyane guys again.
Next.
When did you come this side? Tuesday. Yeah. It's your first time in Johannesburg?
No.
Okay. You visit then there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it happened that you have a boyfriend this side. When you visit, you have a muna.
Yes, I have.
You have a muna.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So ngitshele ke mfethu esikoleni benifundani i home language. What does your
Spedi.
Oh, Spedi.
Yes.
Oh, so isiZulu and kuba iSpedi in English.
Yeah.
Then bese kuba ilawa amanye ke life science, physics whatever. Oh, okay. Kodwa izikole zonke kumele kube nesizulu. Zonke izikole kumele kube nesizulu, then seninga edako iSpedi nani kuye ngokuthi umuntu uyini uyiphili iculture. Kodwa zonke izikole kumele kube nesizulu.
Abebathi. Uyibathi impela yasiqhathi. Yazi asibathi yayibathi.
Hayi nama nivumbe khona isiZulu, isiXhosa at least.
Umxhosa wena.
Yeah.
Oh, nyalo.
Kade ke vele.
Nyalo.
Ne.
Hayi no, nami ngiyisho la ngisho sibe khona bengicheckela nje abantu bami la kwese.
Right.
How is the feeling?
Okay, what's happening?
What's happening? What's your name?
Oh, my name is Lina.
Selina.
Yes.
Lina.
Lina.
Oh, Lina.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So, I have a problem with my boyfriend. Like,
what's the name of her boyfriend?
Vusi. Yes.
Okay.
So, because I girlfriend.
Lina gave Vusi.
Okay, Vusi. So, like, what I know because I have girlfriend high, and then I just found out like he's cheating. And then I decided to call the number. Like,
so
I'm sure
you found out over the phone.
Yes.
And then you took the number.
Yes.
And then you called the girl.
Yeah.
Is
and
this
then
the
I
girl?
asked her, and then she said yes, he's my boyfriend. And then like I'm telling her, no, he's my boyfriend. And then
how long have you been dating Vusi?
3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
On and off, going home, coming back, going
Yes.
home. So did you really think Ukuthi Vusi will stay and wait for you while you were back at home? Yeah. I'm not saying Vusi we will hard for Vusi, but saying nje.
Yeah, Mara, since I get one rata. Like, I'm not cheating that side.
Yes, okay, I understand. But then did you give your mind that space, that 2% space with maybe he's busy since you that side, he's that side. Maybe not good say about we are straight to good, but just that doubts, benefits of a doubt.
Yes, like I have that feeling of already. If I'm not around, obvious.
No,
he's seeing someone.
man.
But like, I didn't.
But you didn't expect
to be a serious thing, like
to find
yeah,
out.
yes.
Okay, I get you. My sister.
Hello.
Mbakahle.
Sharp wena.
Manje igama sobani?
Zimi.
Uzimi.
Yes.
Izimi. Itheni masaphelele?
Simkita.
Zimkitha. Awu ndiyakuzwa Zimkitha. Nawe nifunda isiXhosa le kune language efundweni. Kune subjects yesiXhosa.
Yebo.
Kodwa isiXhosa safana nesiZulu.
Hayi ndiyakuva mina noko anifani naye. Ndiyakuva mina noko anifani naye.
Siyafana nesiZulu. So uvusi lo nami nguvusi. Uvusi lenikhuluma ngaye ke alo ngesimi. Wena unesikhathi singakanani thandana naye uvusi?
Mina since nafika apha eJoburg. I think ina 5 years no. Kudala naye.
Oh, okay. So no 5 years unayo uvusi. Yini le oyithandile yachaza lesami ekushela nishelana yenza ukuthi umqomo.
Hayi shem ndansazifikela nje wayindoda eright ehlukile nje la.
Washija ngapha kwesikhathi.
Usazonditshintshela ngoku umuntu wakhona yazi.
So umavara lona umzulu.
No, webafunga ngathi mavara. Mbiza nje ngovusi iqonde.
Ngomzulu umpedi.
Oh uvusi umpedi. Chris na uvusi umpedi. Okay.
Umpedi.
Give me paid. Wabulela. Wabuwa or wabulela. Wayapa.
Gaya. Na lelinye pedi lo shuthayo umpedi naye. Chris wayapa. Mlobelo. Mlobelo.
Oh, okay.
Yini ahlukene nipedi kanti?
Oh, okay.
Kuba besingazi. Oh, ansi type eyodwa. Ni type eyodwa. Ushuthi kufana lomfana lo kade kulenye episode lo owathi yena umZulu ubuya eLimpopo.
Oh, lo seMpumalanga.
eMpumalanga
Yes,
eMpumalanga ngize ngithi mina nina namaZulu amanje wasibona thina ngale sikhuluma ishandise deep bona lapha bakhuluma isiZulu
Okay.
same thing ubani okhuluma deep isipedi phakathi kwena
I think she speaks the deep. She's deep, ne? No one kuyafana.
The other one Vusi.
Oh deep usuyamazi uVusi Chris
Angithatha ubuso umlubeni.
Bathi uvusa umlobeni. So he speaks deeper. Yeah. Oh, okay. Arim phonele Vusi. Rihle ukuri
But man, before then we have to ask these questions on So tell me guys, ngamanzi abandayo. Uma ungathola ukuthi uVusi lo. Okay. Isinqumo sakho yini? Usutholile ukuthi uVusi othandana naye, udate unangugel, uyakuchisela. So ufuna kwenzakaleni? Ufuna ukumbuza, masumbuzile uzomdampa, ufuna akhethe ukuthi uchoose wena, uchoose ugele or ufuna anchoose noyithu, ufuna kwenzakaleni egcineni?
Hayi ansazi nayazana. Andazi kwanto. Ngisena dom nje.
Ngihlekisa ke nina manthe.
Yeah, ndimunqa ansazi noma manje.
Awazi noma uyatsamaya noma uyabuya.
Hayi sobona phambili masilinde uVusi ke.
Okay.
My sister, what's going to be your conclusion? Are you going to dump Vusi or you want Vusi to choose or you still want Vusi to choose you?
Yeah, I want him to choose me, and if he decides to choose this girl, I'm not gonna leave her.
You're not gonna leave him, which means it's gonna be a fight.
Yes.
War.
Fight for me.
Yeah, goes on.
War.
Yes.
We don't want war.
So mana when also uyifuna ni war?
Hayi mawuyiwe phambili nangathi.
Oh already.
Hayi bayihlala nzahlala. Mayihlala nzahlalela lento esithi uzahlala.
Vusi.
Okay.
Vusi akusfonela uVusi.
Okay, awufonela uVusi.
Hayi uzokasitsheleke.
Sho sithi uVusi mayikuthi ukhetha wena shuthi lo uzolwa.
Awu right.
Shuthi bayela la shuthi uyalwa. Shuthi bele sibe ready.
Uzokasitsheleke uVusi uVarrington ukuthi uthini. Or simbizo uVarrington.
Please confirm the number ukuthi ngabe yiyo le number kaVusi lo uVusi esikhuluma ngaye.
Yeah.
Yiyo le. Okay. Call Vusi and tell Vusi you are ready here. Sinama gloves of boxing ba.
Hey. umlutho.
Ngicela ube makakhalize lo Vusi lo.
Hello.
Nangu cameraman ecela ukubuka.
Hello.
Ukubuka.
How are you?
Hi, Mom.
Good Lina.
Oh, hey, baby.
Yeah, okay. Pick we meet.
Can you visit?
Yeah.
I don't tell 1 minute more cat.
1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute cat.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah.
Yena ayibonakala la. Wayicinga kangaka.
Fakela
Ngibhekisa ibhizinisi.
Thuso wangifakela screen for FM. Manje imnyama. Ilanga lingapha. Ngicela siyocasha mina mama nawe young
Is
mama.
he coming?
Angithi uthe 1 minute. So 1 minute ngenzeka kube 1 minute wampela we will never know.
So you're saying you're not ready to dump Vusi? And you're not ready to Vusi dump you?
Yes.
So Vusi must take you into a fire by force. Eh?
Yes, I am forcing.
So wait, Vusi may ufika la ari hasa unyaki gele o how you gonna force him to nyaka wena?
Yeah. I don't know, but I will make sure Rabasha Punalena.
But then problem, okay, if okay, it's okay, sharp unyaka wena, and then when you go back home and then you go back, wins are the same thing. So you see, you must decide wisely. I think he is the one who's coming that side. Okay, decide wisely, ne? Because unless if you're gonna stay this side forever now.
Yeah.
But if you're still going back
It's
home,
better if I stay here.
otherwise. Oh, isn't just a game. Prama Vusani. Ngeza kuthiwa uvusi bethu nguvusi nami.
Oh, mavusana.
Ayi ukahle bizo.
Mna.
Yeah, askisi bese upicana nomama wakho. Ayi bingelele mamazi wethu ungazoyitshela ukuthi sengilithathile.
Angimli camera kubuya la.
Akho lutho ke bafa ngama camera ngisala sengichaza first. Ngizokubiza ngobizo because nguvusi nami. Yeah. But then I have equation e1 qala.
Yeah.
Uvusi umpedi.
Ya kumpeki.
Uvusi ukhona uvusi umpedi.
Eish.
Noma igama olitholile nje.
Ayazi nami since ngawuthi ngibuza ukuthi hayi mama ra still. Hayi uyangivalela lo mjini. So mara ngumlobeli kahle kahle.
Umrobeli.
Umrobeli.
Oh ushilo Chris ukuthi umrobeli.
Yeah,
You speak deep petty.
Like lobeli kuyaba kulobeli. Mara like no. Kera dola pale mama sikazi be.
Njalo manje angikuzwa wena because ayangikuzwa hlobo sidala. Yeza but wamkoshisha.
Yeah.
Wamkoshisha. Okay. Bafo ngifuna askisi ufica ama camera la. Lance nomuntu wakho uyasho ukuthi today you guys ni out khona la niyakhona salitshwe kancane saskipha. Yeah ngiyabona.
Ngithi vele hayi. Ngiphe umama siyabona.
Yeah. So umama la uyasho ukuthi you guys been dating is how long?
3 years.
3 years uthi lokunene no 3 years ndawonye and umphethe kahle happy uyambona nje uncike kanjani naduze kwakho very happy mama yabo. So ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe nawe umphethe I mean umthanda the way akuthanda ngakhona yini awumchitheli yini because uyazi ukuthi uyichamo nje izingane eshokhe ezinye zayilahlela la kuwena ngaba awumchitheli yini?
Hayi vele lawo wami bhedu wami la vele ngisiphathele la
awumchitheli
for call
wenzeke ulingeke na kancane
uye kuphela
kuphela so usafe umama aka waste isikhathi sakhe
straightforward awuyazi isikhathi sami usiphethe so
okay no bese ngeke ngibambezela kakhulu lathi siyahambela sonishiya niqhubeke noma nenendlela zenu. So kunenye question enginayo yokugcina ne uma ngathi umama uya umbambile or uzwile or umbambile straight ukuthi uyafeba she's cheating, ungamxolela? Will you forgive her?
If we vele ngimbambile,
yeah, she's cheating, will you forgive her?
Hey, the way ngibona ngakhona like the way ngimthanda ngakhona hayi angithembi ukuthi angayenza lento. Mara if uyayenza ukumxolela yana ungamxolela. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Fair enough.
Ngamxolela.
But do you expect ukuthi mangathi ubamba wena ufeba or expect ukuthi yenzeni yaxolela?
Yeah, angithi umuntu phela deserve second chance. Mara not ukuthi ngithi ngizocheat.
Okay.
No.
Awucheat wena.
Hayi.
Cool my brother. Inento esipromotayo kahle kahle ngoba ubona seshoot. Ukuthi abantu bengajithelani bethandane kube mnandi.
Yeah,
Sure. Yes. So sithina first ngenxa yesikhathi sizohamba. So kune surprise esikuphathele yona. I choice kaMamazi mara simsizile in terms of financial ukuthi yabo sithole. But I choice yakhe uthe hayi indoda yami izoyithanda le.
Surprise.
Yes. So are you ready for a surprise? Then could so wazi ukusikhululeke nathi.
Hayi, ave.
Okay. Bafo I don't know mama, do you want to fihla his mehlo or you want sisehlise isiqoko?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Senza kanjena ke mfethu angikuphazamisa ngithi angeke
Hayi.
uzosazoyilungisa ne. Okay, senza kanje mfethu noma nje ngamubuke phambili ayikho inkinga. Bafo ubafo lo oza ne surprise.
Uphethe surprise yakho.
Because phela besingeke sibeke la buzothi uqhamuke vele uyibone. Bese iyaruneka.
Hey yawacisha lamakotoyi.
Kuyabada bagqoka abakotoyi.
Okay.
Bafo ngizokubalela ka-3 ne.
Okay.
Musa ngizocela ukuthi ubuye ngala. Yes khona yes. Yeah, ngizokubalela yawo nakho ke mama. Umama wakho lo ola. 3 2 1 tada.
Yazi ngathi wakuthela ngamanzi abandayo. Thavuka. No my king.
Buka baba manje.
Ngicela nje ume kahle mfowethu.
Hayi no ba ukubamba mina mfethu yini.
Ufuna ubamba uvusi. Sawubona bafu. Bengakakuboni phela mina.
Uyabaza ubafu ule ngihamba naye lo. Lona ngimazi mhlawumbe ngicamshe yamazwe. Ngasichazela ukuthi ubalo. Lona umusa lo ngathi bede ngithi bafo. Lona mhlawumbe ngasichazela ukuthi ubalo. Because I think mama she deserves to know who's who. Who's this one?
Yes.
My brother, are you speechless? Because now we don't have the whole day, my king. There are cases that we still need to attend. There are cases that we still need to attend. Ngoba usibona nje semgwaqeni siyahamba. Sikuyitho yokusiza iSouth Africa usibona.
Mama, you can ask if you want to ask.
Baby, come on.
Eish, baby. Oh, Jesus.
Uthu Jesu. Uthe Jesu.
Sikasina nakho.
Atsina nakho.
5 years ngala, 3 years ngala.
Tikumuntu wakhe yandazi, kanti kubuhlungu thetha.
Eish, baby. Ubula ke.
Ubula ngikhuluma baba. Kanti mfethu yini?
Khuluma bese.
Eish, baby. Ubula seleko bujaga. Kangwanyono la ku church okugrege.
Like manana libito.
Eish, baby mara ibisinto serious like asinto ke ronle like asinto serious.
I serious but 5 years.
Ayina mndothuka londo 5 years ngathi ayonto serious nazana. Into yakho.
Baby mina ke to buja man like into asinto ke ronle like ukanu itshela thoko asinto serious.
Ukudala simane sohlukana but ke mesibuyelana okokoko.
Oh, lo 5 years benihlukana phinde nibuyelana.
Yes, sibuyelana.
Bona athi go tell each yona athi bese bona trabewe like nino diala mara like nesinto ke ronle like wabona. Watsare go
Kwase suka nohlala sobabini. Uthi ayiko serious njani?
Kima.
Kuyo le break le ngena hlala ndawonye naphinde.
Sabenza uhlukana.
Kimi ke wona no ujela ka yena ke se.
baby mara agre baby lona ke wa bona re phela o seyo ene baby mara ne ke tudi bana
Akhulumeke inkabi yami. Umama lona ukuchama umboko.
Bro.
You know my brother akusilicala ukuthandana nentombi bese mhlawumbe ekhamba ungabusayithanda uthandenye kodwa kuyicala ungayitsheli ukuthi yazini sengimove on now ungamove on yabo. So uyini umama wasamthanda mhlawumbe sekudevelop uthando lusha because manje akakwazi lokho ngoba elana ufuna ukuzokwazi lokho ukuthi naye yenze njani move on eqhubeke yabo.
No ayigomho mama se what's gawrata lawo what's gawrata
yazi ngibuza ngomunye uphendula omunye.
Oyenyela ke holo.
I don't think na my sister lo bhuti uyakuthanda anymore the way ngibuka ngakhona because manje you know why ngimkhulumela is because he doesn't speak but actions wakhe ayakhombisa ukuthi this guy doesn't love you.
Ngitshela kaJedi.
Angimazi nami futhi nakhulumeki.
Ngimbuza yona wena
Hayi nakho umbuzo endifuna umbuza wena ngifuna ngixelele ngale ntombazane.
Phela nje.
naye futhi intombazane ifuna uyixelele ngale yantombazane.
Maka kaqala pha kungangixelele kambani la?
Yo.
I think you're asking the wrong question. The question that you're supposed to ask this man ukuthi uyakuthanda yini na and uyafisa ukuthi niqhubeke kule relationship. Ngicela ubuze lo mbuzo mhlawumbe uzokwazi ukuphendula yena.
Ne?
Yeah.
Bro, what the word ka lwena ayithukuba serious. What mar
Jeke indoda yami namntaka bawo ndiyekela wena kodwa uthi ayikho serious indaba yethu.
kubulije karikina lomsayi. Kubulije karikina lomsayi.
Azange ungixelele ngale ntombazana mina. Azange?
Baby.
Kwakuhlala kwami udludla kwami. Ndikwandlayo ndikunxibisayo.
Bujaleng, buto tsantswara, buto mbujaleng.
Sikamtshwara.
Ingabe ke sitshware phone yawo bona re be ke sa tsebe.
Baby asintwe serious, ayi serious.
Eni nimnike chance lo mfana phofu umntana omncinci hle. Noma lento ndimdala nakuye ne?
Baby, mthu akumalade. Bona mthele.
Ngosikamtshwara ngizomtshwara masevumile ne. Okwamanje ungamtshwara.
Baby bona. Awunanto idea la marelana lena.
Usemrata.
Yini?
Awu.
Akithi bomrata mthu akithi bomrata.
Usemrata ewa awwa.
Awu akusamrata.
Wevusi. Mbiza lo.
Konje lo.
Wevusi. La Mavara. Awulalela. Mfethu lalela vusi. Lalela mfethu. Listen here.
Awusanjani?
Mo labantu laba ngenkathi batshela ukuthi uyabathanda ongathithizi kanje. Uyabona into
Ukhuluma uqonda.
Awusanjani vusi? Ichoba kuma awusanjani vusi?
Hayi liqhawe.
Thetha kaloko.
Eish.
Alimbizeni ngelinye igama baba.
Leli kavusi.
Alikele igama lingambiza ngalo mhlawumbe.
Ye wena mfana umpethu usandithanda ngayo ngithandi.
Mlobethu.
Mlobethu.
Aniba noba yini?
Umlobethu.
Mlobethu.
Mara
Uyandithanda ngayo ngithanda unganilinga undimosha lixesha laxesha lonke.
But
Nalubhizi uyanihlazisa abaphambi kwabantu kwathiwani ngami.
simple question bafuna siyabuka. Uyangithanda noma ungithanda?
Uyeso noje.
Sethi baningazimosha lixesha kalo ngoba ndijongiwe ngongabantu. Kahle wena nalenkazana yakho.
Awusenze kanje.
Benizonjongisa ngabantu.
Senze kanje. Angithi you also wanna know ukuthi what's happening here. Ngicela ubuze same question mhlawumbe ubuzo wena ukuthi uyakuthanda noma akakuthandi.
Wanrata.
Ziyorata.
Hayi ke athizikho.
Basho fast kangako bro.
Awunanto idea la ngiserious.
Awamrata na.
Awukumrata baby. Awunanto idea.
Awumrata.
Akumrata.
Amrat. Why? Okay my brother. If Amrat.
Uthi amasa umrade umuhlukele. Azilongoma. Ungasamrade umuhlukele. Sikamtshwara.
Listen, King. It's a pity that I don't think both of these ladies bengakhona ukuthi bezehlisa isithunzi sabo bethandane nawe ubenze lame. That's what I think. I think she's very beautiful. I don't think you deserve to be in the relationship with them. You know, I'm not saying that because I'm perfect or I'm the holy. I'm not holy. I have my mistakes as well, but your mistake is making these two beautiful women a lame. Young bump. So you are standing there utwenalosis awumrati, so which means when you were making her a fool. Yabo, she's a fool to you. Yabo, and then this one, what is she to you? She's the love of your life, right? So after 5 years uzomjikela futhi naye umlahla ngithi uthole umunye love of your life. Angithi that's what you do angithi wena. Do you know ukuthi once waqala washiya relationship just because inenkinga uthi mawufika futhi nakulenye uphinde uyishiye futhi. Do you know that? If you don't fix your problem, because for sure umshiya ngoba benama problems. Did you fix the problems that you had with this woman or azange fix?
Uthetha nami akatsho noba akakwazi uyanifuna ngayonifuna akakwazi uphendula. Uzabuye ezozincenge.
But akakufuni.
Uyatsho ukuthi akanifuni kwinkazana yakhe mara maniziqonde la kuya.
Ngicela simesithi.
Sekuphumela nesikole. Yabona nje isikhathi siyashaya.
Okay.
Hayi bayekeni.
My sister. Khuluma. Please talk. Are you gonna continue with the guy? What's gonna happen? Are you still because yamuza use wagrata ne? Uthi akamrati urata wena. So when what is your say, because at the end it's your decision.
Ngitotshola pelelena.
Uzoqhubeka naye. Ngiyaguess ukuthi isho njalo lo nkulumo yakho. Uzoqhubeka naye.
Yeah.
You're gonna continue with him.
Yes.
What's the reason behind? I'm sorry.
Yes, I love him.
I'm sorry. What's the reason behind of you continuing with him? Because you love him, right?
Yeah.
So when you'd rather sacrifice your boundaries for ukuthi uthanda umuntu, you'd rather sacrifice your own, because manje you are sacrificing yourself basically, because this person cheated on you, this person lied to you. I'm not saying don't forgive him, I'm not saying don't continue with him, but like now you are sacrificing. We are sacrifice away basically. So when you're saying you're continuing with him, you must understand that when he does it again, don't be shocked. Continue with him, but when he does it again, when he cheats on you again, do not be shocked.
Baby, I never. I will never.
When he cheats again, remember Musa's words. I told you.
Okay. I think we don't have to say much things, yeah? But for you understand, okay?
Too much.
Okay, can you understand Bafo? And then you are aware also Bafo is a cheater.
Yes.
So from now on, you continue dating him, knowing what he is capable of. Okay. My sister, uzwile sithini isinqumo sakho, uzwile uthe akawurata urata lo.
Avele kudala nimbhaqa namantombazana mina. The reason why besimane sihluka sibuyelana vele izinto ezinje. So vele seni right nguwe. Iwesi ku right ke wanixelela
Khona something ongayisho ubone utshela my sister since une experience ngoguy.
Hayi makaqhubeke yena uzozibonela ngokwakhe ne. Uyamthanda mos usamthanda futhi.
She's saying
So
continue.
ngiyamnika ichance bem makabe ngowakhe ndiyampha nje. Nani right?
Did you understand? Or should I translate for you?
I understand.
Okay, thank you.
So we continue. You love the guy.
Too much.
No, nibe nothando lohle.
Ayivusi.
Niyenzile indaba.
Sharp, no, it's fine. Ningakhululeka.
My sister,
Zola-
woza ngapha wena. You guys can leave. It's fine.
Ningaphambana nababelungu laba.
Whatever, yeah, influence.
Ngikhuluma isingisi. My sister askis ne?
Yeah.
Izinto ezifanele ziyenzeka. But then you learn, you continue, you move forward. Ne? Do you want us to be the one mlungu and the motivation?
But advice.
Yeah?
Hayi sengisho because kudala ngiyibonela mos. Ube ndizenze ku TV ke.
Awuzithela kani?
Yeah, madoda.
Uyakhula soqhubeka.
Hey, lamaqhawe la, uyansis.
Madoda.
Hey, namadoda. Hey.
Uthi. It's us.
Nithi la bona.
What grade you
Hey,
doing?
nabo abaphathi bezwe evusi.
Yithi abaphathi bese.
Yazwa ngithi abaphathi bezwe. Yabona yabona nje ngoba bela bazokhula kunemsebenzi abalindile.
Babuka umhlaba mfethu, babuka umhlaba ke.
So dablela ubaba wathi wamlo. Hola.
Hey Hakim.
Hey, you look like man, cheers. Gentlemen. Hola. Yeah, I'm cool.
Yeah man.
Nango ke lo mfana, yabona umfana lona uye lona lo osiqhathayo.
Uzoba nomngane.
Osiqhatha lo mfana bangani babelungu, xhaphaza.
Yabo abanye abasipingelile abanye abelungu.
Hayi bangasibingeleli.
DA le.
Yeah, madoda.
Hayi wena manje ukhuluma mala akuthili ukuthi
Abafundi lapha
esikole.
Madoda. Izwe liklini ke manje. Likini izwe madoda.
Ngena ngani madoda? Matem. Hayi matem.
Bafethu iDuyaza TV angeke sikhulume kakhulu. Chris asubisene umhlaba. Hey yazi inhliziyo yami ki.
My sister. You ufundile ne? Bona mfana dlale ngawe 5 years uthi akakwazi in but then game ngawari amadoda amaningi yabo bonke labo
Yeah, ndibangile.
amadoda okradlwana abakathandana obathandana bakwenza basafocus esikoleni
Yabona abafana abancane.
baningi amadoda abaphela abokusekhona amashazalwayo
Yabona la mfana
Khululeka.
umncinci lo kunaba abancinci abana fanele sifumane udedinyana mhlawumbe uzoba right.
akunankinga no sikufani ungama lapha nisokufaka emotweni ne
Okay, sure.
yeah
Hayi mfethu. Hayi kulungile.
lungile
Hawe.
lesizwe
Hayi asibingelelanga ke.
hey
Ku right.
lungile
Bafethu. Nyazi thina mfethu siyasiza la siza khona la ngasize khona it's fine abantu bazoyibonela kusemhlabeni vele egcina kosuku
yazi
wenza ukuthandayo
my sister no my brother hayi
yeah
kube inhlanga yimuka nomoya
yeah bazodibana khona phambili
uzodibana khona hamba nje wabocutha phambili Chris seka song